Okay, today my machine is showing some alarm after start that machine, and the alarm is x-axis battery voltage. All battery voltage are 0. So we have to check first diagnosis 204, 201, 203, 204. BLA all are 0. So the battery voltage of that machine is 0. So we find that my battery voltage is 0. We are changing the battery. Okay, after changing the battery we will check that 204 will be 1 BLA. Now see, after changing the battery, the two alarm are present, that is X and Z need ZRN 300 alarm. Okay, so then we will check diagnosis again. 204, 204, 201, 204, 204 BLA is 0. Okay, so we need to check that parameter 1815. See guys, APZ are 0. It need to 1. Okay, so I am telling you how to change that APZ to 1 and how to make the reference of that machines. Okay guys. So at first we have to give it MDI mode. We change it to MDI mode. Then parameter right enable. It should be 1 input. Okay, now we can change it. Okay, now we can change it. So guys, check it. So how we will check? Give it to handle mode first. Give it to handle mode. That is the MEM handle mode. At first APC, and that make that 0. Wrong mode, MDI 0, and it also the 0. So it is asking that turn off power. Then we have to turn off machines and turn it on again. I restart my machines. Okay, and after I give it to handle mode and feed is 100. I am enter the reference point Z, then X, Z, X, and again press PMC parameter 1815. Then at first APC to 1. Now give it to MDI mode. It is to 1, and again it is to 1. And now show that alarm. Please turn off the power. Turn it on again. Now I restart my machine, and after restart again give it to handle mode. At first X, go to positive side. See, it is going to positive side. It is going to positive side. Okay, it is in positive side. Then we have to make Z to positive side. Z to positive side. Okay. Okay guys, my machine is restart and see that alarm. Okay, no alarm is coming, only parameter write enable, because I enable the right to write that parameter to change it. Okay, now we will go to parameter. Okay, now see it is 1 and I will make it 0 start. See, no alarm is coming. Now see that operation. Okay, mode get is coming. Okay, now see the difference. I am giving the reference return. Now see, my machine is being reference XZ and X, both are reference. Okay, now I will make the turret index. Okay, guys, thank you. Now my machine is ready for that operation.